The address for Turck Cloud is www.turck.cloud. Registered users can log into the homepage directly from here. As the company Machine Builder 1 does not yet have a user account, Homer Simpson must first create an account for his company. He clicks on Register to start the process. Here, he enters all required information, such as organization, address, country, VAT ID, desired username, password, as well as his first name, last name, and email address. To complete the process, Mr. Simpson must accept the user agreement, as well as the terms and conditions. To do this, he places a check mark in each field, and then clicks on Register. Once registration is successful, Mr. Simpson receives a confirmation email. He must click on the link in this email to confirm his registration. The registration will be completed when he clicks on the verification link provided in the email.